Good morning to all of you, dear students. So today we will be doing chapter number 26 of our GK. Please open your GK books. And you should have pencils and erasers with you, right? You have to open chapter number 26, famous novels. It is on page number 27. Chapter 26, famous novels. It is on page number 27. Read these memorable opening lines from some famous novels. What do you mean by opening lines? Means these are the starting lines of the novels. Identify and name them using the help box. See, you have to read the lines and tell these lines are from which novel, right? I am making an addition here. I will tell you the writer also of the novel. So let us begin with the first one. It was 7 o'clock of a very warm evening in the Sion hills when Father Wolf woke up from his day's rest, scratched himself, yawned, and spread out his paws one after the other to get rid of the sleepy feeling in their tips. Dear students, these lines are from the novel The Jungle Book. Please write down The Jungle Book. It is written by Rudyard Kipling. You should know the writer. These are the very famous novels and you should know the writers. Second is, I am standing at the side here so that you can note it down while watching the video itself. It was the best of times, it was the worst of times, it was the age of wisdom, it was the age of foolishness, it was the epoch of belief, it was the epoch of incredulity, it was the season of light, it was the season of darkness. These lines are taken from the novel A Tale of Two Cities. And this novel is written by Charles Dickens. Now, third one. I am doing the third one, okay? Standing here so that you can note it down. Mr. and Mrs. Dursley of number 4, Private Drive, were proud to say that they were perfectly normal. Thank you very much. So the novel from where these lines are taken is Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. Third is Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. And this novel is written by J.K. Rowling. Now, let us do the fourth one. The first place that I can well remember was a large pleasant meadow with a pond of clear water in it. Some shady trees leaned over it and rushes and water lilies grew at the deep end. So dear students, these lines are taken from the novel Black Beauty. Which is written by Anna Sewell. I'm erasing the first one. Fifth, it is a truth universally acknowledged that a single man in possession of a good fortune must be in want of a wife. These lines are taken from the novel Pride and Prejudice. So number 5 is, the name of the novel is Pride and Prejudice. The novel is written by Jane Austen. I'm erasing this second one to make space for the next. Okay. Number 6. My father had a small estate in Nottinghamshire. I was the third of 5 sons. He sent me to Emmanuel College in Cambridge at 14 years old, where I resided 3 years and applied myself close to my studies. So, these lines are taken from Gulliver's Travels. Which is written by Jonathan Swift. Let us read the part below. Grow with Derek. Find out the names of the authors of these famous books. So see, we have already found out the names of authors. If you have not read any of these, make sure you start with one novel. Reading is the best way to improve your language and vocabulary. Yes, so you can go ahead with The Jungle Book or A Tale of Two Cities, Harry Potter, Black Beauty, Pride and Prejudice, or Gulliver Travels. Get a novel for your next birthday and start reading. All the best.